Good morning, my good students. Welcome to the online class. Today we are going to learn a supplementary lesson. Section 2, Think to Win. Think to Win. Prakash sir overheard this conversation. He took a quiet decision. The girls relay team, gather here in 5 minutes. He called out. All the girls came together. Girls, I have been watching you all. You need some more practice, more time on the field. You are not doing enough, he told them. Vociferous protest greeted this. All right, girls, calm down. He held up his hands, practicing them all. Tell me, what is your goal? Coach Prakash sir, tell to the girls. The important word is to win the race. This is the important word in this lesson. To win the race. Isn't it? Not just to make an attempt to win. Are you agreed? The girls murmured. Murmured means in Tamil munangirathu. Their assent. I know you have been training. You just need to give a little extra push to your efforts to win. I know all of you have it in you, he told them. Right, let us start with this exercise. He showed them exercise that would allow their legs to stretch more. Tried faster. Then he trained them in the skill of passing the button without losing speed. Don't slow down when you near your next team member. Prakash sir said, maintain your speed while passing your button only. Button means the relay rod, it's only button only when the button has left your hand. You slow down. Do you understand? And you, who are going to receive the button, also keep in motion, jogging. All right, enough for today. Report to me sometime tomorrow again. Then training to Rucha, he said, I want a word with you. You are have to slow down after starting well, said Prakash sir. Don't do that. Maintain your speed. He advised her. Sir, I am not very good, Rucha said dolefully. No self-doubt, Rucha. This is exactly what I have been waiting to tell you. You must have a positive attitude. Positive attitude means pleasant. Have a winning. This is a positive attitude. Don't even think of losing. See yourself winning. Think to win. Only to win. You can do it. I can feel it. Rucha went home with Prakash sir's words ringing in her ears. The next few days, he saw the girls training extra here. Pragasar was never fair even as he trained other children. The day of the sports meet dawned and the children pulled into buses to reach the venue. There was laughter and a great deal of joviality as Pragasar had seen to it that they were fit and relaxed as well. The situation there was meet was being held bustled with great activity. Children from several schools were moving around, checking out of different venues where particular events were to be held. Pragasar collected the schedules and gave the girls appropriate instructions. The principal of the house school inaugurated the meet with a short speech and also introduced the participating schools. Then the event started. Rucha and most of the other children of their school easily got through the hearts to every the final schedule for the following day and next morning. After a few individual events, it was time for the girls' relay race. Four schools had entered the finals. Rucha, Aruna, Snapnam, and Neelam were Team B. Prakasa gave them final words of encouragement. Girls, you are the good team. You have win. Go ahead and show your mettle. Good luck. Swapnam, a tall girl, was the first runner. She should pass the button to Neelam. Neelam would pass it to Aruna and Aruna to Rucha, who would be finish the race for them. The whistle bell the first runners were off, which had long tried. Swapnam have the team a marginal lead, but by the time Neelam had passed the button to Aruna, both team A and D had drawn level with her. Then the runner of team B fumbled and dropped the button. Aruna ran for all she was worth, just managing to keep abreast the runner of the team A. Finally, the button was the Rucha hand. She had already needed the dismayed that she was pitted against PT Usha of Team A. Just my luck. The thought had finished through her mind. She had quickly put that thought aside, and when the button was passed to her, she was more than ready. She heard the shout of her schoolmates. Rucha, come on! Rucha, Rucha! Out of the corner of her eyes, Rucha saw PT Usha trying to overtake her. Fleeting girl, she thought not against the Pragasar words come to her, think to win. The next moment, Rucha was conscious of nothing except the tape of the finishing line with she had to reach. Totally absorbed the run, she lost track of time and distance. She ran out, not conscious of the first that the race was over till Aruna called out her, Rucha, you have win. We have win. And she was hanging and kissing her. Pragasar was being at her and everyone was applauding her. Even PT Usha came over to shake her hand. I thought I was first, but you were simply superb. She hands with her. It is always a proud moment for the winner of the medal when she is called to the victory stand. But her Rucha, he had a double meaning. He had overcome her hesitations and details. She could win whenever she chose to. Thank you for watching this video. Next class we will learn a new things. Bye.